Sare Homes is on an exponential path, and we are looking out of people who want to grow with us. So, if you are a go-getter, if you are a multitasker, if you are resilient, and if you have the knowledge in you, this is the right place to be. If you want to grow with us, this is the right time and the right opportunity. It is a great opportunity for wealth creation as well as a good working environment. So, if you have the right attitude and the talent, please join us.
Hi, I'm Rahul Gupta, working as General Manager in Corporate Affairs. I'm a part of Sare since 2009, looking after the corporate, the legal and the finance affairs of the company. Basically, what motivates to work with Sare is the great learning experience which I am getting in Sare. I'm handling all the legal part, the corporate function, the filing with the ROC, the court affairs and everything. Basically, it's a diversified role which I am handling. Sare has a professional, if I say, I got a chance to look after the legal function, the banking function, the corporate affairs part, do the banking part, and basically my profile has expanded like anything, and I've done a lot of learning opportunity here. For me, being a chartered accountant and an MBA, the learning is the most important part of my life, and the learning I'm getting here is tremendous.
Hi, my name is Uruj. I'm the head of human resources of Sare Homes. I've been with this organization for more than 6 years now. Sare, in true sense, is a world-class organization. We have seen an epic growth over the last 5 years' time based upon trust and credibility, which is very, very strongly embedded in our system, even though all of us come from diverse backgrounds. What is even more refreshing is the down-to-earth approach of our top management officials, which forms a great connect with our employees.
Hi, I'm Neeraj Malik. I'm 6-year-old in this company. I've joined in November 2009. It started as AVP Business Development and then grown up to a level of VP Special Projects. The most memorable experience, what I cherish, is I have given the first possession of the company. We started this company in 2007, started investments, and then we started building houses. And it is like a, what you can say, it's like a moment of cherish for every individual because house is a lifetime achievement. What Sare motivates me is the fire, is the energy, is the spirit which makes me work harder and harder, better and better day by day. Reaching here, it's totally par excellence. It cannot be explained in words. It's given a platform, opportunities. What I started earlier was a business development core, just a business development. In this 6-year period, I am working closely with finance, accounts, master planning, business development, EBITs, company profile, fitments, meeting with a lot of people. So the exposure what I have received over, it's totally par of anything. So we have grown together, like company has grown a lot, and I have also grown a lot with the company.
Hi, my name is Ajay Saimwal. I'm taking care of pre-sales department. My interaction daily with the senior team members and my colleagues has helped me to learn a lot. Sare as an organization rewards its employees' contributions and achievements. It is an open environment wherein you can share your ideas and thoughts with the management. I have been appreciated for all my contributions that we've run as a successful campaigns with Sare Homes, and that motivates me to even perform better. And it's been wonderful 3 years working with Sare Homes.
Hi, I'm Piyush Shah. I joined Sare Homes as Deputy General Manager Sales and Marketing in January 2010 after a very successful and enjoyable tenure of 16 years into sales and marketing spread across diverse product lines and diverse geographies. I have been exposed to the sales, marketing, operations and mortgages functions within Sare Homes. I have also been exposed to the Gurgaon, Ghaziabad, Amritsar and the Chennai projects at Sare Homes. And what really keeps me going and motivates me to come to office every day and keep going strong with Sare Homes is that over and above it being an FDI developer in India with highly credible and professional governance standards and a great brand, it offers a very congenial environment, industry-based remuneration, and every day at Sare Homes challenges and enriches your skills, your experience and your learnings. On a personal side, Sare Homes is my extended family, and on a professional side, I've significantly grown within the system and look forward to continuing for many more years in the system. And that is something that really makes me want to come to office every morning and leave a very satisfied professional every evening.
Hi, I'm Media Seema Dagar, and I've been working as DGM contracts with Sare Homes. It has been wonderful working with Sare Homes. as an ex-army officer, I have been able to apply specific skill sets like professionalism, discipline, due diligence, and the same has been recognized and appreciated by the management. Sare Homes is an equal opportunity employer, and I look forward to working here every day.
Hi, my name is Saurabh Prakash and I am the Associate Vice President Sales with Sare Homes. I joined this organization in December 2009 and since then it has been a well-cherished journey. What brings me to office every day smiling is, number one, it's a professionally managed group and I know whatever efforts that I'm putting in is eventually going to be recognized and rewarded. I'll give you my example. I joined this organization as a Deputy General Manager Sales. 6 years, I have grown to a position of a AVP and I feel proud of it. And mind you, not many organizations is where you find such kind of growth. Secondly, what I'm very proud of and what makes me look forward to coming to office is that I know that we are setting a trend in the industry today. Sare Homes is living up to its commitments. That's what we believe in. Go to our sites and you will find each and every site what we have undertaken, we have families happily living there. And that's what we are focused on. As a real estate professional, I feel fantastic to be a part of it. It brings that kind of confidence in me. When I go meet the customer, when I go meet my associates, I know whatever I'm coming to them is the company which is backing me for it. We deliver and we deliver on time. And I'm sure anyone who becomes a part of Sare, with their journey with Sare, they will cherish it. The management is focused on rewards and recognition. We put effort to train the people who come and join hands with us. We want to focus on personality developments of the people who are a part of us. And I can tell you, this is one of the best places to work for.
I am Major General Satish Sahajpal. I have been associated with Sare and particularly, more specifically, this project since 2009. I have now been here for 6 years. And during these 6 years, I have seen this project grow from a barren piece of land till this stage where now we have occupation certificate for nearly 800 units. We have more than 400 units which have been handed over to the clients. We have nearly 300 families, children, ladies, gents staying here. Those houses from that stage now have become homes, and you find people leading lives, you find children being picked up in school buses, and that's extremely satisfying. From a one-man team, we have now brought it up to a team which is as large as 50 personnel who are working here. These persons are young, they are enthusiastic, they are a happy lot. And for somebody like me, it's great fun to be working with them. And also because it's an FBI project, discipline is of paramount importance. It's open, it's got a very corporate-like culture. People are open to new ideas. In fact, the new ideas are encouraged. If there's any place for a young person to work, I think this is it. This is one place where it would really be fun to work.
Hi, I'm Sarabjeet. I take care of customer relation and post-possession care at Sare. I started my journey with Sare over 3 years ago. Sare strongly believes that the customers are the most valuable assets. This approach has contributed a lot in the growth of company as well as the employees. In this period of 3 years, we have done successful launches of 6 phases here, where we have given possession to over 2,500 customers. As a professional with over 24 years of experience, I think I have grown as well because every day has been a new learning experience. The flexibility within the organization is so refreshing that I am thoroughly enjoying my journey and my stint at Sare. Thank you.